Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Pandas, welcome to the stream. Ho ho ho. Hope everyone had a Merry Christmas. Hope everyone had an amazing holiday. Dopamine in the veins. Credit card and scammers. Pandas. Pandas. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Make sure you guys drop a GM in the chat. Also, make sure you guys comment on the special comment video to enter giveaways for tomorrow's special stream. It's finally coming. Tomorrow's the day. I'm so excited for the 20K special sub special stream. And it's going to be a long one. It's going to be extended. Pandas, we're going to get it tomorrow. We're going to do it. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. Mark your calendars. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is the second to last day of BBM 90 getting 80% off, so don't get confused. You have been warned. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. Blacklight Gypsy, good morning. Kyle L, welcome. GC Borg, welcome. Blacklight, good morning. Danny Boy Trader, good morning. Dang, those accounts look low. They are. We got one account that's like borderline payouts, and 3 others that are just on their lifeline. We got about what, $700 more or less. $800 a threshold on them, which is fine trading micros. That's completely fine trading micros. It's more than enough. Lou the writer, good morning. Pandas, 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 pandas. Hope everyone had amazing holidays. How do you spell Chanukah? Pandas, 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 pandas. Do Muslims have a holiday? I mean, they wouldn't celebrate Christmas. Oh yeah, they're like anti-Christmas. But they had to have something. I mean, Jews have Hanukkah. Muslims, huh? Guess they don't have anything. Anyways, Kwanzaa. I feel like more people will celebrate Diwali than Kwanzaa here. I mean, don't get me wrong. I could be wrong. I mean, I'm not saying Kwanzaa is not a legitimate holiday. It's just, it's a very like. I think most African Americans would celebrate Christmas. I mean, you can celebrate Kwanzaa, but I feel like most African Americans in America celebrate Christmas. I'm not, but I'm not trying to say anything about Kwanzaa. Just kind of give some statistics here. So I could be wrong. Maybe I'm being offensive. I'm sorry. Ramadan? Is Ramadan right now? When is Ramadan? Yeah, Ramadan's not now. It's like springtime. Mr. Pusher. Yep, 80% off. BBM 90. Exclusive to this channel only. It's been up for a week. If you didn't know that it's been up for a week, then make sure you guys subscribe so you guys know all the news that is released. I announced it a week ago that we had BBM 90 for 80% off. So exclusive for this channel only. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Tomorrow's the last day. It ends on the special stream day. Let's take advantage of it while it lasts. The weekly chart. Let's just start here real quick. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bull days in a row, or bull weeks in a row. And that might not seem like a lot, but if you look back, it's not a very common thing. For the last year or so, this is the first time we're getting 8 bull days in a row. Maybe last time was here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope, it's not even 8 here. I'm just saying it's very bullish right now. We are very bullish, much bullish than you think. You think that we might be kind of bullish, but this is very bullish right now. We got 8 bull bars on the weekly chart. It's absolutely incredible. Daily chart, we're kind of getting a little bit sideways here. I mean, I wouldn't mind. I wouldn't mind. Second entry long. Right? 2-legged pullback. Makes sense. 10,000 tick chart. I think if we break to any side here, it will be a nice move. Either way. Either way, it'd be a nice move. 2,000 tick chart. So I'm saying I'm getting ready for Big Mama. We're right in the middle of the range, just going back and forth. In the overnight, we had a big push up here, and we just started going sideways. We do have a gap here. Notice this gap. That wasn't the details. This gap is very doesn't happen very often, right? These gaps don't last very long, especially when you have the overnight trading hours. They typically get filled even on the 5-minute, right? Or my 5-minute has only the regular trading hours, but the 2,000 tick, my 2,000 tick chart here has the overnight trading hours, and there's a reason for that. The reason is being that the 2,000 tick chart is more consistent in the overnight sessions, the price action. So I like to have the overnight also, but the 5-minute chart is just you cannot chart it. You cannot rely. It's unreliable in terms of price action because the volume's too low. So I like to have it, and so having the overnight trading and having a gap like this not being filled is you got to notice that. You have to notice that because it typically gets filled. Otherwise, Friday, your best setup. This trap here. Even if you took this trap thinking you're going to come back up here, right? Thinking this might have been the trading range. Thinking this might have been the trading range, something like this. And you're in the middle of the trading range, trying to get back up to the top. Even if you took that long and then reverse your trade, you would have made up your money plus more. Right, that's a really nice looking fail second entry long here. Today, no news. No news the rest of this week. It will be a shortened week, right? Because we had Christmas yesterday. So. Blacklist says the plan this year is to buy a house. I spent some time in a place called Moose Jaw in the middle of nowhere here in Canada where I could get a really nice one for 60,000 US. Whoa. Hold up. You say you can buy a house for $60,000? Cash? Cash money? Straight cash, homie. That is nice. Wow. What a life. What a life. Hanging out in the middle of the woods. Enjoying nature and trading. Joining this channel. Can you imagine a better life? $2,000 tick chart. Let's see what we got here. Push up, then spike channel. Channel lasts. Ultimately 3 pushes up, but channel lasts for 2 legs up here. And 2 legs down. Trap here fails. It's very tricky. I'm just saying my pause. Let's see how the first couple candles are on the 5-minute. That's probably the most reliable thing to do here. GC Bird says they have micro house. Is that different from a tiny house or teeny house? Is it tiny or teeny? Which one is it? I don't know. Market just opened. Just a little gap here. We're probably going to fill very quickly. $120K tiny house. I don't know. I don't like the idea that typically tiny houses that you have to climb into your bed. By the time you're tired, like, do you really want to climb into your bed? I don't know. Especially when you get older. You just have to climb like a ladder to get to your bed. Unless you want to be athletic when you're old. Okay, just waiting here. Geo, welcome back. Welcome, guys. Somewhere in the Rockies, welcome. Mawashi, welcome. Will Curtis, welcome. Thanks for joining, everyone. All right, first bull bar, or first bar here. Let's go bull bar. Shuma asking, what time frame am I using? Look at the top right of your screen. You can see what time frame I am currently on. I use a 5-minute, 2,000 tick and 10,000 tick. Right now, I'm focused on 5-minute chart, just because it's a little slower, calm things down. You have a little more time to think about your decisions. I think it's a little more reliable, right? The higher the time frame, the more reliable it typically is for price action. So especially at Confluence. And the 5-minute is definitely a higher time frame than the 2,000 tick. Let me look at widely used. Big bull bar here. Good old Reddit. What is the best tick chart to use? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Big bull bar ending on its high. 5-minute chart. So I'm doing some research. I'm trying to figure out what is the best tick chart to use. If I put the reason why I don't want to put a pull up, because a lot of us are biased, right? A lot of us have been using 2,000 tick, but honestly, that's niche. Like we're niche for the 2,000 tick, I think. It's only for those who got started with Pats, but people have been using tick charts. A lot of people say 4,000 tick chart. Interesting. Seems so random to me. Huh. Honestly, I want to trade a 1-tick chart. Doesn't 1-tick chart make the most sense? What would that even look like, a 1-tick chart? You can literally see every single trade. If I turn to a 1-tick chart, I might break my Ninja Trader. I did a 100-tick. Let's see what happens here. Oh, I think I broke it. I think it's already... Oh, okay. Oh, not that bad. Doesn't a 1-tick chart make sense? It's not even candles. They're just be like plots. I'm a genius. Guys, I'm officially a genius. I'm a genius. I'm officially a genius. This is actually pure price action trading. It's called You guys want to see how helpful the one tick chart is? I'm about to show you how helpful this chart is. One tick trading. It makes sense, doesn't it? So you're not influenced by the candles. You're literally just seeing one tick at a time. I'm a genius. Look at this. This is pure price action. You can't get any more pure than that. It's just dots on the screen. Can you get any more pure than this trading? You're literally like a computer right now. This is called one tick trading. Originated here. You're seeing it for the first time ever. Someone trading the one tick chart. Beep boop beep boop beep boop beep boop. I think I broke my Ninja Trader. I can't get out of this. I'm stuck. Darn it. Wait, what is this? Oh, you know why? Oh no. Oh no, I made a boo-boo. Pandas, I'm sorry, I may have to restart this. I made a boo-boo. I made a serious boo-boo. I looked up one tick chart, but I have like several days of charting. So it's doing one tick for so alright, Pandas, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Sorry about that. I had to restart. What was I thinking? Wait, is this really a candle here? Is this really a 5-minute candle? Oh my goodness. We have a 5-minute candle that's not even 2 points large. It's a super small doji. People are still on their holidays, seems like. Pandas, how excited are you guys for tomorrow? Tomorrow is our special 20K sub special stream. Please make sure you guys comment on the video so you guys can enter into the drawings. I'm gonna give a little taste of what we're gonna do. We're gonna definitely have some free evals, right? Apex provided some free evals for you guys. Any eval, absolutely for free if you win the giveaway. Also, we'll have some cash prizes, and yeah, I think it's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be amazing. And that is also when the BBM 90 80% off code will end as well. So please take advantage of it while you still can. Someone rockets. Do the algos use tick charts? I am certain algos use some sort of tick chart. I don't know which one. You gotta find the one that's widely used. The 5 minute chart definitely widely used, widely adopted. Well, yeah. Angelo says, should 2000 tick chart look the same or different? It really depends on where they're getting the information from. Even within like NinjaTrader, if you don't refresh it, I can go ahead and refresh this. Let me see. You have to reload your historical to get it to match with the time server. It depends on when the very first tick starts, right? So, and the candles are developed locally, so it could be different depending on every chart. If you have all the exact same settings, then your chart should look the same across the same platform, but different platforms like it's gonna be difficult. Like if you're using Think or Swim or something, and you're looking at my charts, the tick charts could look drastically different, drastically. Trade of it, yeah, could look different. That's another thing why I don't like tick charts. It just also depends on which one you get, right? Like which tick chart you get. I hate that. The 5 minute chart is a little more like consistent across every platform. We got a doji bar, right? Strong bull bar and then doji bar, like a straight up doji bar, and it's small, so showing that we're not getting much movement here, right? Our ATR is low. The range of the candles are not very large. This could turn to a spike in channel. This could turn to a, two legs up and then reversal. Coming back to fill the gap here. Could turn to a lot of things here. Maybe always in long trading even. I'm a little uncertain though. From the looks of things, I'm a little bit confused. I feel like this could reverse at any moment. It looks weak, right? Like the market looks kind of weak. It doesn't look like it really wants to make a big move right now. It's these doji bars, this doji bar and this bar with the wick here, just kind of giving me hints that today, I don't know, we may have another trading range day today. The daily chart. We had one on Friday, so we might have another one today. I'm gonna mark the weekly highs. Do I have a? I think I have an indicator for the weekly highs. Do I not have a OHLC? Oh, I do have prior week OHLC. Okay. Let's see here. What color should I make my weekly OHLC? Probably want them the same colors, maybe different pattern though. I want weekly lines here as well, especially on Friday, right? That's when the weekly lines are really important. I might as well right now because the market's not doing anything, so I'm just. What color is this? Dark side. Okay. Fallen line? No, I think I'm gonna do the dash dot dot. The dash dot dot. Let's do that. Dash dot dot. How does that look like? Is it too much noise? Ooh, the prior reclose. It's not bad. Alright, we'll keep it like that. These are the weekly closes. Hope that makes sense. These are the weekly. That's a weekly close, or that's a weekly high. That's a weekly close, and the weekly low. And it's like these kind of big dots here. Just keeping different, just making a different pattern. I don't know if I want different colors. It's just gonna be too many colors. But I want like the same colors representing the same thing, just on a different time frame. You know that? You know what I mean? Know what I mean, chat? You know what I mean, pandas? Ooh, getting a bear bar here. I want to go short here, but it's just too hard to tell. It really is just too hard to tell what's going to happen. It's just like 50-50 at this point, I feel like. Can go down, can go up. It's really 50-50. Like no momentum anywhere, right? It's just kind of like floating here. I think it could drop, and especially when you got a magnet like the previous day's close. Usually.
10,000 tick trap.
All right, we got a little push down here. It makes sense. It makes sense. I don't know if I would take it. I wasn't so sure to take that trade. It makes sense though. Possible trading range day today. Very low volume, seems like. Volume may pick up on the second half of the day. It's kind of like on Friday. You kind of had low volume almost the entire day, and all of a sudden you got this big volatile move coming out of nowhere with this trap. Right, this trap was your trade of the day on Friday. Push down, double top, failed attempt to come back up. Yeah. Look at that. It's like perfect. Yeah. All right, you can push down here. What to do? I'm not gonna lie. My main setup is always in long, always in short, inside bars, major trend reversals, second entry longs. Those are my major setups. So if we're like coming back down like this, I don't know. That's a little hard for me. I'm still trying to figure out wedge tops. I cannot trade wedge tops. I just don't get them. I don't get it. Wedge tops, wedge bottoms. I understand what they are. I just don't know when they're good to trade. I really have a hard time. Like I have found very little success with wedge tops. Okay, maybe a fail second entry short here. Let me know if you've had success trading wedge tops. Don't trade wedge tops, trade boop boop beep boop. What is a W1P? I don't know what that is. What is a W1P? You can't start with an acronym. Like, I understand WT meant wedge top, but if you bring a new concept in, you can't just start with an acronym. You know what I mean? You can't just start when you first introduce a new concept, you can't just start it with an acronym. I hope that makes sense. I'm not gonna get it. Win one panda. Oh, got it. W1P means win one panda. Why 1P? Why does 1P? That's what W1P means. It means whip. It's like a cool way to say whip. Somewhere in the Rockies. You can tell this guy is a dad. Mr. Panda. Panda's like inside bars. Do you drink inside bars? Ha, ha, ha. Oh my. Yeah. Yacht. Yacht. What's wrong with you guys today? You guys okay? Are you guys feeling well? Let me know in the chat if you got anything nice for Christmas or gave anything nice for Christmas. This Panda purchased me a new wallet, actually. I've been using one of those wallets that are like I don't know. I really just for some reason wanted it, but it's one of those wallets that have like a little lever that you can that you pull with your pinky, and like it pops all the cards out. I don't know why I really wanted that a wallet with that kind of mechanism. I knew it wasn't gonna last long. Like basically all the cards just fall out. Like if you just look at it, if there's a slight breeze, all the cards fall out now. But in the beginning, it was amazing. It had an amazing resistance, but now if I pop the cards out, they all pop out like Pop-Tarts. It's crazy. So, but it was fun while it lasted. Let's just say that. GC, I got a very nice flannel and fleece jacket. All right. Welcome to the 90s. Welcome to the 90s. Now, next year, you're gonna get a gift from the 2000s. You're gonna catch up. You're gonna catch up slowly, but you will get there. Fleece jackets are nice. The only problem is every time you take it off, it's like you're going through torture. Whenever you take off a fleece jacket, it's an electric chair. Hugh got a cutting board and new workout bench. Interesting. I never knew they combined those two things. I guess right after you work out, you can cut vegetables on the bench. GC Burger. I just wait till stuff comes back in style. Says, that's true. Things from the 80s, 70s are coming back probably. All right. What is this pop up here? Is it enough to want to jump in? I don't know, Pandas. I really don't know. I don't have any convictions here whatsoever on the direction of the market. This feels confusing. Maybe this is where you wait for the wedge top.
10,000 tick trap.
Blacklight says, I got the phone I asked for, which was Samsung A03, but it's pretty bad, slow and laggy, picture quality abysmal, moving from an iPhone 8 Plus. Goodness! I'm sorry. I'm sorry, GC Berg. I thought you were in the 90s. Blacklight's in the 90s. I mean, does it have Snake on those things? Tate, good morning. Welcome back. Hugh says, dice up your chicken and broccoli right after you finish pumping iron. What did Mrs. Panda get? Mrs. Panda gets my love. Isn't that not enough? I got a couple early Christmas gifts for Mrs. Panda. She really wanted the Dyson hair dryer thing. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, that thing is it is expensive. For a hair dryer, I never knew. I never knew that hair dryers can become like that. But it is the best hair dryer in the world. It is truly. I mean, it doesn't only dry hair. You can dry anything with it. It's so powerful. Okay, we got the trap that triggers here. Again, I don't feel strong conviction here. I would like a bar with some follow through. Maybe this has some follow through. I may want to enter long. I don't know. A Dyson vacuum cleaner. I got Mrs. Pan a nice Dyson vacuum cleaner. Oh man, an ironing board. She's just so happy. An apron. Yeah, the Dyson hairdryer. We actually did get a new Dyson for the house too. All right, what is going on? Pandas, I'm sorry. Please excuse this market. It's just so rude. Not moving. Is it alive? Is it dead? What's happening? What happened to the market? I mean, the day after Christmas, you gotta really think some people are still on vacation. Tate says, got the missus a nice vacuum. She got me a nice new pillow and blanket for the couch. Wayne Bignell says, I got a vacuum cleaner for my wife on our second year together. 40 years ago? Hold up. You've been married longer than I've been alive. Goodness. I still catch ish about that gift. Huh. Lesson to every man here. Do not buy a vacuum cleaner as a gift for your significant other. Please. Please don't do it. It's like buying a Peloton for them today. Hey, I bought you a Peloton. You look like you could work out a little bit. I'm just joking. Do you remember that when the Peloton commercial and people went crazy? Yeah. Wayne Bicknell, what a blessing. 40 years of marriage. Jeez. Carl Herman, does a vac still work? That's an important question here. Who cares about your wife's feelings? The question is, was it a good vacuum? Angelo says, I'm probably the only man that has a wife that actually loves cleaning supplies for Xmas. She just loves cleaning. I guess if they love cleaning, I mean, where'd you find one of those? Where do you find a wife that loves cleaning? Where'd you find one of those? eBay? Timu? That's why we've been married for 17 years. I'm not letting her go. Good. Keep her close. All right, pandas, what's going on here? Look, there's no follow through on this bull bar, even though it's a nice looking bull bar. It could be a pause bar. Well, we'll see. We'll let it finish. But what am I looking for here? What am I trying to do? 2 bull bars and just go long? Maybe trying to break this high here. I don't know, panda. This is tough. Pause bar. Maybe second entry long. A, B, C? Something like that? I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I got no setups here. What levels are... Do I have any levels here? You know, could be here. Huh. I have no conviction here. I have no confidence in what direction we're going to go. I don't have much intel, let's say. Not much to go off of. Could just be a breakout of this. It's a pullback to that breakout. Small pullback. Push off. That could be the case. You know what? It's probably this. Undershoot to an overshoot. That makes sense too. Am I gonna find a trade here today? I don't know. Oh, pandas. I do know this. Tomorrow we do have our 20K sub stream special. Make sure you guys join tomorrow. It's gonna be amazing. Make sure you guys comment on the pinned message, right? There's a pinned message with a video. Make sure you comment on that video so you can enter the giveaways. We're gonna have cash prizes. We're gonna have free evals for you guys. We're gonna have some giveaways. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be super fun. And most likely gonna be an extended stream tomorrow. Mark your calendars. Black Lamb still fawning over the only woman I've ever loved, who's now engaged to another man. Now I'm just always on tilt. Hey, engagement means nothing. Get in there. No, I'm just joking. I'm joking. Do not. That's a sad story, man. That sounds sad. All right, we're getting a nice bull move here now. Finally breaking the high, the previous high here. So we're getting higher highs, higher lows. Interesting. Huh. I really don't know. It looks bullish, right? It looks like it kind of wants to go up really high here. Like, it makes me want to jump in almost, and you get that feeling that you're gonna miss the boat. The kind of feeling I'm getting here. Still early enough in the trend to really get a lot from this. But, I don't know. I don't know, Panas. This was tough. Whoa, Mo 7, calm down. Mo 7, calm. I'm going to rip my cojones out at 48.18. What? Wait, whoa. Do not rip off your cojones. Don't do it. I've done it before. It's not fun. They don't grow back. Please, please. Keep your cojones intact. That's such a... Wow. Ouch. How would you say that? Oh, it's gonna rip my cojones. I don't know why I read that as I'm gonna rip my cojones out. Okay. Alright. Okay. That's a little different. Still painful, but... Okay. I get it. Really slow movement here. Maybe a strong bull bar and may buy. I don't know. Hope to catch some of this uptrend here. Okay, it's not a bar that I feel confident just to buy. It's not that strong of a bull bar. It just looks a little confused. Okay. I don't know, Panis. What am I gonna do? Alright, people bought the close there. Interesting. People are considering this always in long. Definitely 100%, right? Because they bought the close here. No tail whatsoever. So they definitely bought the close, right? Institutions bought the close there. They have a strategy thinking it's going to keep going up, and the risk reward and probability is all in line. They probably scale in again. Ooh, breaking the previous candle's high here. How do you have the conviction enough just to buy there? I don't get it. How do you have the conviction to buy there? That's crazy. Missing something here. Maybe measure move. I don't know. Measure move of this bar, or first bar. Possibly measure move here from that first bar. People who are thinking of measure move of this bull bar, they don't mind buying anything in here, especially down here, right? Just buy double bottom. Double bottom here, micro double bottom, strong bull bar, pause, bull bar again, and then buy the close. Right, that's no undoubtedly buy the close bar. Buy the close, always in long. Jeez. I can't do it though. I did think about it. If it was a stronger bull bar, I would thought about just buying it, but it just didn't warrant like a strong bullish move. Maybe because after the pause bar, any bull bar afterwards, people said, okay, it's enough for me to buy. And they came out with 2-point scalp right there. I don't know. It's tough. Again, no conviction here. I wouldn't be surprised if I don't have a trade today for stream. This is just moving too slow. Mr. Pushup says, Panda, how come you have 80% off? It's because I reached 20,000K subs. And my relationship with Apex is amazing. It's a very special relationship. So they decided to say, hey, give that Panda an exclusive code just for his channel. Spread the word. Let everyone know. It ends tomorrow. Appreciate it. All right. I mean, it is by the close. Amazing. They bought the close here and showing the strong bullishness here. Looking for that one-to-one on the strong bull bar. They bought at the 50% mark of this bull bar. You can see that they bought at the 50% here. Huh. Micro double bar, the 50% on this bull bar. This is bought. Strong bull bar, pause bar, then another bull bar, and they said that's enough for me. Just jump in here, and we are rising here. Honestly, tough for me just to go long there. No cap. Wow. Okay. Let's see if they're still by the close. Curious. Right, when you see it by the close like that, typically it's a very strong bull trend. Let's see if they're buying the close here. Yeah, they may be buying the close again here. Always in long. Yeah, buy the close. Amazing. 100% people are buying the close. You can tell by the price action. Will it stay? You know, does that mean it's going to pop off here? I don't know. But definitely people just thought it was going to. By just buying there, you can see there's no tail here whatsoever. Now it's starting to come back down. So those got... These bulls, they have to hold, endure. The 80% off is nice because Apex announced an official statement from Apex saying that they're not gonna release a 90% off for a long time. I don't know what that means, pandas. I don't know a long time. Sometimes 24 hours is a long time. Sometimes a month is a long time. Sometimes a year is a long time. I don't know what a long time means or a long while or whatever terminology they use, but they basically said that it might be a while. So 80% off might be the best you're going to get for a long time. Who knows? According to them. I'm surprised they didn't even give off an 80% off code for Christmas. I'm surprised. Maybe not 90% off, but at least an 80% off code? Bobby C. 1 minute is a long time when trying to scalp. I should have considered propulsion block on top of the MMRT FVG order block to go up silver bullet, tsunami wave, supersonic. What are you saying? You don't need any of that. Just look at this. Look at this. Look at the chart. Look at this. Look at the chart. You got a bull bar here. You got probability of possibly reaching up here. You have, I think, a reasonably to come back to the 20 EMA at this point. But right now we're reading and looking at always in long trading. What's FVG? Carl Herman. Buy the FVG. Tate, I use your Apex code a lot. Thanks. Yeah, I appreciate it. This time, you're welcome. Because this is the only code out there. All right, pushing up here. Fair value gap. All right. I have no idea what that means, but if it works, it works for you. If it works for you, then good. Keep doing that thing that works. All right. Okay, nice push up here. You're getting the idea of the strength of this bull move. It just looks so slow. The volume is just so low. I just don't feel any confidence in entering anything right now. When the volume's this low, you're thinking that it could really do anything, right? It can come back down. It can just really go sideways for a long time. Market counters. Female voice generator. Mo7 says, ICT created the market. Yeah, obviously. ICT. I'm not gonna lie, he gets a lot of views though on his videos. He does. But I'll tell you one thing, he's not verified. You got only one trader out here that's verified. Keeping all his markers up here. All his trade markers. Okay, bear bar. I don't know, Pandas. What am I to do here? I'll tell you one thing. I don't think I'm going to trade Big Mama here. Unless we get a touch off the 20 EMA first. I don't think Big Mama's good here. It just looks like a double top. It looks like a trading range of some sort here. It's starting to develop. Okay, people bought the close here, right? The moment that bar ended, they just bought it. Showing the strength of the bulls here a little bit. What? Again, Pandas, it's okay. It's okay if you don't take a trade today, alright? It's alright. It's okay, Pandas. It's okay. Don't cry. It's okay. Don't worry. You have plenty of days to make money. Today may not be it. If you can go through this whole session without buying or without making a trade because you don't see a good setup, you win. You win. You did what you're supposed to do, right? You accomplished your goal. The goal is not to make money. No. The goal is stick to the plan. Traders trade. But I want to trade. I don't know why I did girl voice for that. I had to just because the name. But I want to trade. Do you like my girl voice? Is that convincing? But I want to trade. It's true. I do too. I surely do. Especially when you have content, you gotta make some content somewhere. But right now, we are just dragging our feet here. Like, if I had to bet on my life which way the market's gonna go right now, I couldn't tell you. I couldn't make a trade. Like, let's just say that your next trade will cost you your life. It'll cost you your life. Would this be it? Would this be the one? Just, what would you do? Buy here? Sell here? What would you do? I would like some sort of wedge top, some sort of, reversal pattern here to go short. I can't just sell here. I just cannot. It's not something I would do. GC Bird does predicting it won't go anywhere. Counts. Yeah, I guess. Okay, ends up being a nice bull bar. The final last seconds, it just pops up to be a nice bull bar here. Still always in long. Possibly still by the close. Whew. Jeez, pandas, I have no idea what to do. We do have 4 pushes up now. You can tell by the indicator. We officially have a wedge now. 3 pushes up. 1 push up. 2 push up. 3 pushes up. Officially have a wedge. Black light. Everyone's fighting the trading demons right now. Truly. It is a war. The 1-to-1 may be met, right? There's bulls who want to basically a 1-to-1 on this bull bar here, and I think that's what they're going to look for. Nice strong bull move. Right, by the close, still, always in long. You can tell right here, the moment that this candle finished, traders bought it here. So they bought up the bid as well, which is nice. They bought up the bid, right? The ask and the bid. The ask is higher, the bid is lower. They bought with the bid and they got it in right at the bid. Lucky them. Comes back down, retest that bid. Right, people who missed this first entry here, they entered again here on this retest. That's what you're seeing here. Still haven't made a 1-to-1 yet. Still waiting. But I bet you feel pretty comfortable now. If you had bought anywhere here, looking for a 1-to-1 on this bull bar, I bet you feel comfortable right now. Very comfortable. Right now, I just feel confused on what to do. Grizzly. When it pumps, I short. When it dumps, I short. When it range, I short. I always short. Okay. Good to know. I have no idea what's happening here. Okay, I know what's happening. I just have no idea how to trade this. Actually, I do know how to trade this, which is don't trade at all. You got 4 pushes up now. This might be a nice reversal from here. We kind of missed the target though. At one point. Missed the take profit here. Most people had a target up here, 1-to-1 on this bull bar. Making a strong bear bar here starting to form. The volume was so light going all the way up. It just made me uncertain on what was going to happen. Getting choppy here, sideways. I don't know. Still don't know what to do here. Okay. Buy the close again. Amazing. I mean, after seeing a bar like this, I felt like the market's confused, but apparently not. Looks like it might try to hit that 1-to-1 here. Maybe not. Not much happening here. Again, I wouldn't be surprised if I don't take a trade today. It's just too uncertain. Starting the, especially with the 1, 2, 3 overlapping bars. Even if it's a strong bull bar, it's starting to convert into a trading range of some sort. That's what it seems like. Inside bar here. Interesting inside bar being created. Huh. I don't like it though. Tough to trade. Technically, I guess I should be trading this whichever way it breaks. Preferably to the upside. We need a 1-to-1. I don't know. I don't think it's worth. Okay, broke to the upside on the inside bar. Might get a nice push up here. I didn't like it because if I did a 1-to-1 on that, right, on this inside bar, a 1-to-1, maybe like this. It goes beyond the target, right? The take profit of this 1-to-1, and I feel like it will just create some resistance there. So that's that. Does a risk reward have a multiple levels? Okay. It'd be nice if the risk reward you can add more than one level to this. It's just one level here. It's nice because it snaps on to like the closest tick. You see how it's like snapping onto the closest tick? I'm using the fib retracement tool to figure out my risk reward, and it doesn't snap onto the nearest tick. So I gotta like align it pretty close. It's not that big of a deal, but still, it's kind of a nice feature to have. I don't know, Pandas. What to do? Are you guys going long here? Seems wild. Ooh, pop up. Again, the main reason is because the 1-to-1 risk reward on this setup here goes beyond the 1-to-1 risk reward of this setup. So it's just hard for me to take. Unless I just got like 1 point. I'm definitely not gonna take the Big Mama here. Maybe on a second attempt, but not the first attempt. Hmm. Can I really just buy here? I don't know. There are obviously traders who are buying, have been buying, always and long, right? Buy the close here, buy the close here pretty much. Buy the close here. Bulls are in control, full control right now still. Huh. What is this? Okay. People buying. It's so painful though to buy here. Okay. Hmm. All right. I have no idea, pandas. Hey, Merry Christmas, everyone. Hope everyone had an amazing Christmas. We are trading the day after Christmas, and I'm not even surprised we're getting price action that looks like this. It's absolutely impossible to trade for me. I cannot buy here. I don't think I can sell here either. I just gotta wait for something better to have like either a double top. I get some sort of reversal setup. I get some sort of reason to really go long. I don't know, pandas. I just really can't find anything here. And are we really surprised? Not really. And that's why we have the community. This is why we have the best community on YouTube verified, because we're going through this together. We're just grinding through this together, and and I'm just telling you right now, it's so much worse if you don't have the community. But because you guys are here, this makes it a little more enjoyable that we got to see this paint dry and dry paint that we saw. So pandas, tomorrow is going to be a very special day. So please mark your calendars. Please join. It's going to start at the regular time, but it may be an extended stream. We're going to get a lot of cash prizes. We're going to have a lot of special things for you guys. So I hope you guys are able to join. I'm really excited for tomorrow. And yeah, take advantage of BBM90 for 80% off Apex evaluations while they last. It ends tomorrow, so please take advantage of it. And I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. Pandas. I'm not surprised I didn't take a trade today, so it is what it is. I think that was the right thing to do, and stick to the plan. So we accomplished our goal today, which is what? Stick to the plan. So pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Trade safe, everyone. And as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.